I'm going to be giving away a Dior bag in this video. Hi guys, what's up? It's Nika with Fashion Nika. Today's video is going to be part 2 of my designer bag collection. The video is primarily going to focus on my Dior and Prada bag collection. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Nika. I sell vintage designer bags in my shop, shopfashionika.com, every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Pacific time. So if you love vintage designer as much as I do, feel free to check out my shop. And with that, let's get this video going. I'm gonna be giving this away to a single mom this Mother's Day. I know I'm filming this and I'm probably gonna post this after Mother's Day. Beautiful vintage Dior crossbody with a trotter print. Little backstory, I came from a single parent household. My mom is my idol. She raised 2 girls on her own without any help. If you have a single parent that you'd like to nominate, please feel free to nominate them down below. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel as well. I'll pick the winner on Friday, May 19th in the comments below. And shout out to all the single parents out there. Thank you for all that you do. First bag I'm gonna share is one of my very first Dior bags. It is this guy. I have had this bag for a couple of years now. It's a rare Dior charm pochette bag and it has the trotter print all throughout. This is my favorite part of the bag. It spells out Dior with these little charms on the side. So when you're wearing it, you can literally see that your bag is Dior on the arm, even when the body is covered. I also love this humongo D charm zipper pull. It's just obnoxious and that's what I think is so cool about it. I feel like I should share my other one that I have that's kind of similar. Another beautiful vintage piece. This is the Dior saddle wristlet. This one is navy and then this one is black. Even though they have some similarities, they are quite different and that's why I decided to keep both of them. Something to note about my collection, I love collecting pieces that are a little bit harder to find, things that are a little more rare. I don't know, I think they make it even more special when, you know, I don't see this bag necessarily out in public all the time. Not to say that I don't have those types of bags. Yes, I do own a Chanel classic flap and I love her to bits. I still wear her so often and I swear by it too. She's made it with gold hardware and what I love about this bag is this little ID bracelet moment. So when you wear her, the little ID tag hangs right there. So it looks like a cute little bracelet. Oh, it's so good. This fits absolutely nothing, by the way. I'm gonna show you what this looks like if I tried to put my phone in here. This is an iPhone 14 Pro. It doesn't do anything, not even like half of the phone. So yeah, you can put your AirPods in here, put your little card holder in here. She is just such a little moment though. This next bag is my all-time favorite style by Dior. And when I tell you this is my favorite style by Dior, this is what happens. This is what happens. Okay, I'm gonna go one by one because they're all so different and so special. All these bags are different, I swear. I know they look so similar, but there's a reason why I have kept all of them. Yeah, they're just so different. Why do I keep saying they're so different? It's like I'm in denial. So this first Dior mini lady, she is crafted in satin with the canage throughout. And then she has these beautiful little crystal rhinestone details on the charm. I actually added this little lock after. She is black and this is probably my most classic of my mini ladies, so that's why I decided to keep her, because this is perfect for like an evening out for date night or like a wedding. The second one, this is probably my most used and also my favorite, but she's made with an exotic skin. This is lizard and beautiful gold hardware again. What I love about this bag is the color. I am not a colorful girly. I don't have too much color in my designer bag collection. This is one of the exceptions, but it's like a light purple lilac-y plum moment. I did source her a little bit more pre-loved, but I personally love a good bag that's been like worn in. I feel like it adds character to the bag when it has been used and I'm not as like scared to use them. This one actually came with the little crossbody strap. I never use the crossbody strap, but it's kind of nice to know that I have that option. Definitely like my favorite of my mini ladies. I'm gonna show these last mini ladies together. They're kind of similar. But no, they're different, okay? It's made with suede and gold hardware. And she's this beautiful like gold mustardy color. And then this one, it is very similar. No, it's different. I'm in denial right now. This one is this stunning, I hope the color picks up on camera, but it's like an olive green mini lady and she's made with patent leather. I don't have a lot of patent leather in my closet. They both have the Trotter print, but one's suede and one is patent. So they're so good. Just because I have 4 does not mean that the collection stops. I love this style so much. So yes, I do plan to add maybe 1 or 2 more to this collection. These are actually all vintage, so they don't sell these anymore in store, which makes them even more special to me. Final Dior bag in my collection, and then we'll move on to Prada next. This guy. And yes, I did say bag because I do wear this as a bag. I know this is a fairly large vanity bag, so I could use this for travel. I don't. I use this as a handbag, a purse, and this fits a lot inside too. This is my only vanity bag that I own. I am kind of tempted to get a Chanel vanity, like those mini vanities, but I just haven't had a chance to add it to my collection just yet. But yeah, this is my only vanity, and I do plan to use this someday for traveling. Moving on to my Prada bag collection. My very first designer bag that I ever owned. It is a little Prada nylon crossbody. I owned this in high school. I didn't buy this for myself. My mom didn't buy this for me. I got this as a gift from my ex. A little fun fact. I love this bag so much, but I didn't like that my ex gifted it to me. I don't know why. It just felt weird, like using something that I loved, that it came from an ex. So I ended up sourcing the exact same bag and replacing it. This is the exact same style. Everything is exact, but it was gifted to myself instead of my ex. Beautiful champagne gold hardware made with Saffiano leather and then the beautiful like gold stenciling. I love this bag. I wore this bag so much during college too, going to the clubs, going to the bars, hanging out with my girlfriends. This would always be on my hip. I was able to fit my phone back then when the iPhones were slightly smaller. Now this cannot fit my phone. It's fine. I put my phone in my pocket all the time anyways, but I still use her to put my like little card holder in here, and I'll put my AirPods, and then you could put like a little tube of lipstick and then you're good to go. Because it's nylon, can withstand a lot of wear. I've had this bag in my collection for like 12 years now. This is the sparkliest bag that I own. It's made with satin as the base and then the crystals throughout, and then obviously the beautiful Prada triangle logo. She has the silver chain, so I could wear her as a crossbody. The thing is, I don't wear a lot of silver. It's just hard to style because I'm a gold girly at heart. I love this bag so freaking much. She is giving like Hermes Kelly vibes in a way, right? Like slightly. You see how massive this obnoxiously large Prada logo is? Look at that! It's like 3 times the size. I also love this huge gold hardware top handle. It just adds such a nice touch to it. Definitely a bag that I plan to hold on to for a while, maybe up until I get a Kelly. Someday I'll get an Hermes Kelly bag. I do have a pochette, but that's different. I want like a Kelly that is like this size. Next bag. She is not vintage. This is a newer style. It's a little Prada Saffiano pochette in this beautiful bubblegum pink. There's a loofah for Halloween, and then I put like little Velcro bubbles on this bag to like spice up my outfit, and the video ended up going viral, which is pretty cool. That wraps up today's video of my Dior bag collection and my Prada bag collection. Don't forget to nominate a single parent down below and subscribe to my channel. I know that we're gonna get some kind of spam account that's like, oh, congrats, you won, you won, you won. This is my only account, so please note that if you get like a random person that says that they're Nika, they're not. I'm Nika. This is my only account. So just be aware of that. Next video is coming right up. It's going to be part 3 of my designer bag collection. It's going to showcase Celine, Loewe, and Bottega Veneta. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys, hugs and kisses.